Wow.
Here's terraforming for you.
No doubt. Wow. What is going on in this place? Holy shit.
And this is where the evidence of the machining is here.
Wow.
And here.
Oh yeah.
They call it vitrification, but it's polish.
It's not vitrification.
Wow.
No way to get heat source right here. There's a cool one.
That's about you feel that the stone was not cut, but it felt like it was compressed somehow.
Yeah.
Right.
You know, this kind of result on the surface.
Evidence of cataclysm, Brian. Thank you.
Oh, you bet.
And look at the curving, you see?
Yeah, and the tool marks.
Yeah, it's still smooth. Good. Feel how smooth, Yusuf.
Yes.
Yeah. Even up in here, like all around up in here.
Look at this.
Oh, you have a name, Brian?
No, it doesn't.
Okay.
Doesn't.
It's called Brian's Cave.
Brian's
Why
cave.
not?
Seriously.
Why not?
Why not?
Look at that, huh?
Joseph, did you get pictures up there?
Melanie, you may have heard this already, but this split here Brian was describing is obvious cataclysm. They would have been together as some cataclysm.
Yes.
Look at that right corner.
Yes, you
Right
can
angle
see.
corner, right?
Yeah.
Right behind you, Philippe, is a right angle corner.
Oh, Yusuf, this
Look it up.
is
Go up. Yeah, there it is.
Oh, wow.
Nature doesn't do that.
That's really amazing, Brian.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
Look at this cut.
I see it.
Yeah, but look at this cut in the stone.
Yeah.
And this is all water erosion.
What?
This erosion is water.
Yeah, yeah.